Decorations tab helps to customize borders and backgrounds. Background color and its opacity can be selected on the Color panel and set via hex, RGB, HSL, etc. color codes. For any color system except hex, the name of the system should be identified before the code value. Border style can be set as solid, dot, dashed, etc. Its color is set in the same way as for background. Border width and radius can be set separately for top, bottom, left and right borders of the element. These settings are also set via different measurement units, including pixels and percent. Box shadow is styling the element with shadow along 3 coordinate axes. The blur, spread and color can be adjusted too. The color is assigned in the same logic. Background allows setting the image on the element's background. The image can be positioned, repeated, and attached. Its object fit property can be changed via size control.